Well, go on, hope all is well. So today video is gonna be on Amari. Someone tagged me into the video, and at first I thought she was just being Amari, but I didn't know she was actually cursing out her daughter. Nikki, first thing first, it's not about this is an older daughter, them over 18. Matters not kids are kids and thing, but everybody parenting different, and this video is not for nobody to go find Amari and drag her. It's just a level of showing that everybody really parent different and go stress differently because she went in. Just have a look and
Can
listen
I
for
tell
yourself.
you, I've had enough of this dirty, stinking family. You understand? How the fuck I'm gonna be on live doing a show, right? On Facebook. And this H knock on my door, I don't answer my door. That obviously blood clot tell you, say, me live. I don't know me on the blood clot live. You understand? You know what that dirty itch do? That dirty itch take a knife, open my door, and come inside. No, let me tell you something. When I tell you me tired of this blood clot family, and I just wish the Prime Minister could have blood clot open up the fucking door for me come home. When me say me want go on my blood clot house, a guys in me want go home to Jamaica because my family is no fucking good. You understand? So me I call upon Andrew Only1Empo to open the border because I want blood clot go on my yard. This pussy clot girl, yo, all the fuck? How the fuck me I go live in a house and have my own private room and you go blood clot take knife and open my room door and come inside just because me no feel for answer. You understand? You know blood clot know if me I have intercourse. You don't blood clot know if me I masturbate. You don't blood clot know if me I talk to me Jesus. You don't blood clot know if me dep on the phone. You got blood clot try to embarrass me. You understand? I take with my pride and integrity. That is thinking mongrel Nikki. Let me tell you something. You is like dog shit to me. Y'all need to leave me the fuck alone. You understand? These little parasitic motherfuckers. You understand? Don't let me go into the details. Your daughter's thinking, father, do what him do. You understand? I'm breed me and I just threw God, you know. I just show me respect God, you know, me go ahead and give birth to them, you know. Because me not even did there this rascal man. Me did there with them brother. You understand? And me give birth to them and them is like a tan in my blood clot side. But you see when me went to take the abortion, Father God talk to me and tell me not to touch them, you know. You understand? And the only reason why me bring them forth, you know, although me never agree to the intercourse, you know, the only reason why I bring them forth is because I fear God. But if blood clot Nikki and Chanel and the whole of them blood clot continue, let me tell you something, I'll do something about it, you know. I'm tired of them rascal people here, you know. I already tell myself, say, boy, my other kids, I do all what I can for them. You get me? Me bring two of them come to America. Me make sure the rest of them born in America. And all when me go through and all when me do for them don't even have the audacity to put them my grandchildren on the phone to say, hi Amari. You understand? So right here now, the only thing that give me happiness out there is the people them out there in this world. And then this itch, I go come in my room just now, and I go like your blood clot player, and come about Mona, how and showing me on the phone how much money me give away. You understand? Mona, how you give away all this money online? Because I feel me pum. And I'm my blood clot money. You understand? Yesterday, day before yesterday, me get them $150. Plus me pay the like $250. Yesterday, me send one go to Publix and me send them with $150. Me send the next one go Walmart with $200. So me never know say me dey on earth just to take care of these motherfuckers with their money in my house. Me never know say that me come on earth for. You have a mother will give you 150, pay the light, 250, turn around, give you $350 the next day, and you know act like me a blood clot breed for you or something. You understand? Let me tell you, Father God, may I ask you, you know what gonna happen? God make them need me this much because guess what? When them lose me, them are gonna lose it all because them don't know if to fend upon them own. The motherfuckers, after me come out from my life, come back, the one they will call me is another one. I come back, Mona, we need $10 for oil. After them have this big jar of olive oil, you know, what cost thousands of dollars at Jamaica, and them done it in a 2 day, 2 rascal day. And I come take up my credit card, but them want olive oil. Olive oil, oh, you feel have a mother will give you so much money within the last 2 days, and you still a come to me for olive oil. Me not giving a blood clot. Before that, me buy more credit for the people them at Jamaica, Trinidad and Tobago, and fuck my ass clot. I have nothing to give you know. Me not stop help them. Cause of them give me encouragement and of them make me happy. Look at dirty bungle them. Yeah, me tell her some I go cuss her up on life. She about to run gone downstairs. Eh? See her there? No. You must think some I laugh with you. Look like me a blood clot laugh with you. You're out of order. Jonathan, is it right that your baby mama knocked on my door and I don't choose to answer it and she opened the door with a knife?
No, it's not. I told her
is that right?
I told her that was
I feel like she crossed the border.
Yeah, I told her that was
I feel like she entered a gate where she's not supposed to enter. So you know what I gotta do, Jonathan? I gotta set 2 demons on my door. Anybody blood clot enter without my permission, it lick down them bomber clots. You're bright and out of order. How the fuck you fi do that? You understand? And yeah, you talking about Anwar walking in on you? You understand? When I say my kids are like dog shit, yo? How the fuck? How the fuck you gonna do that? How the fuck you tell me I pay for this old house and I don't have no privacy? How the fuck you gonna do that? I'm 50 fucking years old. Don't take no knife and come in here on me. Don't fucking do that. Because while I'm in here, you all never stop to think whether I breathe or I don't breathe. Y'all don't fucking care about me. I'm in here all by myself and I don't know what the fuck I would do without my goodies. I'm telling you, man. But you know what? I'm telling you, I felt like the girl. Come on spiritual grounds. How the fuck you gonna come in my room without a key?
What happened?
No, man, you pass your fucking place. No, that's too much. That's a violation of my fucking privacy.
I like your shirt. What happened?
I'm in here. You understand? And I'm doing a very professional show in regards to all the help that my corporation is doing for the people worldwide. This H knock on my door and decide that she gonna take a knife, open my door, then come in my drawer, going for my credit card. Don't I have no privacy?
Who?
Nikki. I know that I'm on live, so she know that pretty much that type of show that I was doing, that she could always walk out with my credit card, that she could basically get away.
What was she trying to use it for?
You understand? Then Chanel knocking down my door for water, and when I was in the shelter and I had no money and I beg her for a bottle of water, she wouldn't give it to me because she said I talk her with my goodies and wouldn't give me fucking water after surgery. You understand? I'm telling you, man, more and more I'm finding less and less of a reason for living in this house. For real, yo.